Oftentimes in our business, the only way for personal issues to be ultimately resolved is two superstars enter the squared circle and go one-on-one in a good old-fashioned wrestling match.
Oh, what a shot!
The United States Championship has been defended in numerous promotions over the past several decades, making it truly one of the most resilient titles in all of sports entertainment.
You know, if anyone has a truly unorthodox offense, it's Santino Marella. The Blonde Miracle's attacks are difficult to describe, and it consists of strikes, holds, reversals, and suplexes. Marella's offense may not win any awards, but it is effective.
And he lands a crushing neckbreaker. Oh, he looks like he's in no man's land here. He needs to be able to put things back together here.
Michael, this is a dangerous position to be in. He needs to be able to find a way to clear the cobwebs and regroup. Nice reversal.
When Santino Marella gets rolling and begins dishing out his unique brand of offense, no one knows what to do. The lock, slams, strikes, and drops add up to a complete physical attack. And before you know it, the Italian Stallion has just picked up another victory.
Yeah, there's an old adage that says, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And that's what comes to mind.
There it is, the right hand hook.
Oh, what a hook. The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting. Great reversal. Santino's so good, he may actually have tiger blood running through his veins. Oh, out of nowhere! A punch to the gut there. Oh, man, that had to knock the wind out of him. Not today, too fast. He didn't need a GPS to find the mark. Oh, wait, nice reversal. That just crushed him.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. The United States Championship was first introduced to WWE fans in 2001 following the company's purchase of WCW.
Let's see what Santino does with this.
A dizzying drop for sure.
He's really been zeroed in on, but he's still showing some signs of life.
Makes the cover.
1, 2.
And it's up. He got the shoulder up.
To the shoulder.
Whoa! A direct hit. Talk about getting tagged and knocked in the middle of next week. Santino Marella strikes with a cobra, and that bite always stings.
Oh, Santino, always unpredictable.
Oh, man, there's the finish.
The shoulders are down.
And he escapes with a kick out. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. Oh, out of nowhere.
Woo, a little showboating going on here. Oh, God, that was hitting the nail right on the head. If he takes many more of those, he's going to get lit up like a Christmas tree.
Not a lot of spring left in his step right now.
Just look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight.
We're looking at complete domination here. My God, his body's been through hell, and his wow, and a kick out.
And that's all that matters. This match continues.
The United States Championship is...
Well, thanks for coming.
I think we know what this is.
Warm up the buses. This one's over. Hey, one more time just in case you missed it. Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike. Yet another one for the highlight reel.
Take a look at that again. Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
And he keeps it. What